Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy cucumber, mushroom and chicken stir fry with spaghetti. So let's get started. To make our spicy cucumber, mushroom and chicken stir fry with spaghetti, we have one large chicken breast that we're going to slice up. We have one large cucumber that we're going to slice up. And over here we have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And back here we have 8 ounces of canned mushrooms. Yep. Now you can use fresh mushrooms, but we're putting 8 ounces of canned mushrooms in there. And back here we have our seasonings. Yep, there's 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a pinch or an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. Okay, let's start slicing up our chicken and our cucumber. Yep, this is going to be a tasty, quick recipe, and it's really, really good. Alright, let's get some of this stuff out of our way. We'll put it aside for later. Okay, let's start slicing up our chicken. And we're going to be using our aceti knife. It's a Santoku knife. And of course we sharpen it with our AnySharp knife sharpener. It's been working really good, so we're going to keep using it and we're testing it for you guys, so it's still working good. Okay, let's go ahead and slice up our chicken. Let's see, the grain's sort of this way, so we'll cut across. Okay. Try to cut it thin. Knife's really sharp. Of course, the trick is to put your chicken breast in the freezer for, half hour, something like that, and get it to firm up some. It's easier to cut. Ours isn't quite as firm as I would like it to be, but it's working out pretty good. We're going to go ahead and cut these in half again. Cut them right down the middle. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to take a bowl and we're going to put them right in there. Okay, there we have it, our chicken. Let's put that aside. Now we got to clean up our board. Okay, our board's nice and clean. Now we're going to cut up our cucumber. And boy, that's a big one. Okay. We'll just go ahead and slice it down the middle. And we'll flip it over and we'll do that again. Now we're going to go ahead and remove most of the seeds. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to slice them up. Okay, let's slice them up. I like slicing them on a nice angle like that. Okay, we'll go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay. Well, there you have it, our cucumber all chopped up nice and thin, and they're really nice long pieces. Beautiful. Okay, let's put them aside. Okay, now we're going to make a marinade for our chicken. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. To that, we're going to add 1 ounce of water, or 2 tablespoons of water. Put that right in there. Yeah, the reason why we put the water in here is because the chicken kind of dries out when it gets stir fried. So by adding the water, we allow the chicken to go ahead and absorb most of the liquid, and it'll actually tenderize it because of the little bit of salt that's in there, and it's called velveting. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So now all we have to do is mix that up a little bit, and it'll be just nice and tender. Just let that chicken absorb that water. It's already doing it. I can see the water is kind of leaving the bowl there. Okay, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and go ahead and mix that in. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and we're going to go ahead and mix that in. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let our chicken marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. We're going to let ours marinate for 1 hour. So we'll put it aside. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to make our spicy soy sauce mixture. Now we have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and to that we're going to add our seasonings. Yep, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, that ought to kick it up a notch. Yep. Alright, we'll just go ahead and put them right in there. And we'll give that a stir. Okay. Okay, now all we have to do is start stir frying. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high, and we'll put some oil in the pan. I'm going to let that warm up. Okay, our pan's hot enough. We're just going to go ahead and add our chicken. Put that right in there. Okay, let's stir that around. Yeah, the cornstarch makes it a little sticky, but you can separate it. Okay, let's lower our heat. Okay, they're over halfway done, so we're going to go ahead and take them out of there. Well, they look nice. Okay, we'll put them aside. Now we'll raise our burner temp up to medium and put a little extra oil in the pan. And we'll take 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, put that right in there. And to that, we're going to add our cucumbers. Boy, you should smell the garlic. Beautiful. Now we're going to cook our cucumbers, but we want them still crunchy, so we'll keep an eye on them. Okay, now we're going to add our mushrooms in there. That's 8 ounces of mushrooms. Wow, that's a big mushroom. Yeah. Now to that, we're going to add our pasta. This is about a 1/4 pound of pasta, pre-cooked. And we'll stir that in. Okay, now we're going to add our chicken back in. Put that right in there. Give that a stir. Wow, look at all that beautiful chicken. Okay, we're going to lower the burner temp to medium-low, and we'll let our chicken finish cooking. Okay, now we're going to take our spicy soy sauce mixture, and we'll go ahead and put some of that in there. Okay, that's about done. We're gonna go ahead and shut off our burner. Now all we have to do is plate that up and give it a taste test. Yeah, that sounds good. Well, there you have it, guys. Our spicy cucumber, mushroom, and chicken stir fry with spaghetti. And you can barely see the spaghetti. It's got so many mushrooms and cucumbers. Okay, you know what we're missing? Some sesame seeds. Put some of them on there. Okay. Boy, does that look good. Okay, let's just have a little bite. Let's try a piece right here. Wow, do you see the chicken? And the cucumber and the mushroom? Oh yeah. Look at the size of that chicken. Beautiful. Well, I'll tell you if it's tender or not. Let's give it a try. That chicken is so tender and moist. Yeah, just go ahead and make it that way. Boy, is that tasty. Really tasty. Yeah, this isn't going to last long, and it's a lot to eat, so you might want to invite a friend or two over to help you out here. Yeah, okay. Boy, is that tasty. You're not kidding. Let me see if I can show you how tender the chicken is. We'll grab a piece. Oh yeah, beautiful. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, I just gotta have another little bite. Boy, does that look good. Tastes even better. Yep. Good.